The Student Basic Needs Center was established on the campus in October 2019 to fight the ever-increasing basic needs insecurity among our students here. So, aside from our food pantry, we offer a variety of other services, including an equipment loan program. We help students with resources for housing assistance, transportation assistance, social services needs, which might include legal aid, car repair, a host of needs that students could have while they're on the campus. So my role is to help fulfill those services for students, provide the resources. We do rely upon donations to sustain ourselves. So we ask for non-perishable food donations from our campus community, and as well as monetary donations for our Student Assistance Fund. And that fund is in place for students who might need help with paying a utility bill, who may need help with just making ends meet from month to month. Students, especially during the pandemic, face hardship, including job loss, COVID restrictions, which led to just a general need for help overall. So the fund was a great innovation for us to service those needs. One unique service we provide is in the way of student emergency assistance. On the campus, we are very fortunate that there are a number of fund sources for students, but students may not know about those various fund sources. By completing one universal application, we remove those hurdles. And so my role is to look at that application and the various fund sources and find out what student may qualify for and provide a fund package to aid that student based on their profile. We are also unique in that as we research and plan the Student Basic Needs Center, we found that there really wasn't anything like this in the Kansas City Metro. And so when we launched, we saw ourselves as being the first facility of its kind that services higher education and the students who attend our college. The students who utilize our center fall into two types. One type is your typical student who may live with family on their own or with roommates and have trouble making ends meet month to month. So if they can come in and get a little food or get questions answered, that helps them to be able to sustain themselves and not have to worry about those struggles. The other type of student falls into an at-risk category who relies upon our center week to week for food and other necessities. Without us, they likely would not be a JCCC student, and so we are more of a lifeline for that type of student. For both types of students, the need for transportation comes about due to the fact many do not drive, nor can they rely upon family or friends to get back and forth to school. So JCCC is excited to partner with the Kansas City Area Transportation Authority for microtransit. And microtransit is a hybrid between a traditional bus service and a ride-hailing service such as a Lyft or Uber. As long as the student lives within the geographical region for microtransit, a transit vehicle will come to their location, be it their home or a coffee shop or any place that works for that student, versus having to wait for a bus to come to them. We've also seen that in a 2-year period between 2019 and 2021, more than 5,500 rides have been given through microtransit to our campus community. Innovations that we're looking at would include financial literacy classes and workshops, and we wish to soon create a basic needs advisory board. The point of that is that we want the campus community to be aware of trends in insecurity on campus, and to have that board help us find ways in which we can further support our students who come in need. We also wish to bring in speakers. We want to partner with other campus departments to find ways to expand what we do here to make sure that students can overcome any hardships that might take place so they can focus on their studies here.